What's up guys, Crispy here. I hope you're doing very well. I will be teaching you guys how to make a platformer game. So a platformer game is basically where you have a controlling sprite called the cursor, and you control it using the arrow keys or WASD, and you have a platform where the cursor lands on. There's gonna be gravity in the game, and also there are spikes and enemies that you have to avoid, and the goal for each level is that you have to get to the portal by jumping over obstacles, because the portal is where you change levels. So in part 2 we're going to be doing the cursor movement and the platforms and gravity. So there are going to be 7 parts for the platformer tutorial. So that's basically today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below if you want it to be a little different, and hit the thumbs up, and have a nice day.